Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna be looking super duper young. Take off those annoying age related problems using ice natural ice cube remedy. Yeah, like this is so amazing, like you are gonna be loving it. Yeah, and the effect on the skin is so superb. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let's go. So guys, to have that even a young skin, a super young skin, okay, get firmer and a tighter skin, you're gonna be needing banana. Now with the ingredient that contains in banana, it helps so much to tighten up the skin, therefore leaving you looking young even if you are aged. Yeah, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to be cutting that into pieces so that it can be faster for us to blend. And after that, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. Okay guys, so after blending it very smooth, you have to blend it very smooth. You can use your large banana if you feel that one is not going to be enough. And blending one banana usually don't blend really well. Yeah, so this is it. And the next ingredient, which is actually very important, is milk. Is actually very important for this ingredient because it contains the lactic acid, which is actually going to make you look super duper young. Yeah, so you have to use your goat milk or a raw milk, which is actually going to be very important for this. About 3 tablespoons of milk is perfect, and after that we'll mix it very well. Now this is great guys. If you're actually looking 40 and you think that you're not even up to that age, try this home remedy. You're going to be loving it. Yeah, okay, so after you put that, you mix it all up, and then the next ingredient, which is very important also, is yogurt. Now yogurt contains the lactic acid and it also contains vitamin E. Now that is actually very needed for the skin because it helps to increase the elasticity of the skin and make the skin super duper glowing and super young. So we're equally going to be taking in about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and you have to use an unsweetened yogurt, okay, for this ingredient. Yeah, that is actually the yogurt that you are gonna be needing. Okay guys, so we mix it up equally, and then also we're gonna be making use of lemon. Now lemon contains vitamin E and a citric acid. Now this citric acid helps to make lemon super duper effective for the skin, and it also make lemon super duper glowing, and it also makes this ingredient work in a way that is going to help to tighten up your skin and shrink it up, and it's equally going to give you that fairer complexion. So we're going to be putting in just a little drop of the lemon, not too much. Okay, just a little drop of it is perfect. Now this little drop is actually going to make your skin glow like magic. Okay guys, so the last ingredient is egg. Okay, now egg is a great skin tightener, is a great skin firmer. It helps to reduce your large and open pores, and it also makes your skin super young. So what we're going to be needing here is the egg whites, and I'm going to be breaking in and pouring in just the whites. And voila, this is a great mix. Now after doing this guys, you know that you have a super duper anti-aging, skin glowing and skin younger remedy. So you have to mix it and mix it really good. Okay, now that will actually enable all of the ingredients to mix really well together. Now for this ingredients, you can actually decide to use it 2 to 3 times in a week. That in that way you are going to be achieving your results. Know that all of those natural ingredients are something that you would have to equally repeat it and repeat it as often as you can. In that way it's going to help to make your skin glowing. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do now is to get a cubes out of this. You know that when the ingredient is actually very chilled, that's when it works so well. Yeah, so I have my ice cube container and I'm gonna be putting just a little. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go refrigerate this. Okay. And I'll be right back to show you guys how it is. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is it, and it's actually strong, but all of this is actually not very strong. Okay, so what you do is to open it this way and just turn it. It's not gonna be super duper strong because of the ingredients. So this is it, and it's actually very soft and it's not difficult at all to apply. Yeah, something that you can just apply on your skin, and trust me, this is the best way to apply this ingredient because it has actually it's actually very soft. Yeah, so it's just gonna help to calm your skin in case your skin is you're stressed and your skin is actually looking red. So let's go apply it. Okay guys, so this is it, and I'm gonna be taking one of this and I'm gonna be putting it on my beautiful skin. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, oopsie, this is actually very this is actually very easy to use. Yeah, if you And it smells so good too. If you have this, you just make it and just store it. And then when you want to use it, so that you don't have to waste it, when you want to use it, you take one and then you just melt it through your face. You just melt it through your face. Oopsie. Now after that, you remember to always, give your face a massage. Now this is going to be very, very chill. Very, very chill. Like, this is actually the best way of storing your natural remedies. Okay. And this is going to help you to close your pores and to make your skin stay even. You can actually apply another one, that's if you have more to spare, just like me. Okay. So when you want to make this, you don't make too much in case you don't have enough container to just store it. Guys, this is really, really good. This is wow. This is fantastic. Yeah, this is great. Okay, so walk it through your face. Give it a very mild massage, because it's actually very important you equally massage. Okay, so after that you have to hold on and wait for a little while, yeah, because this is actually very comfortable. It's not going to be uncomfortable on your face. It's not tingling. It's not, it's not just, it's very, very comfortable, and it's very calm, it's very chill, it's very cooling. Yeah, so you hold on and wait for a little while, and after like 3 to 4 minutes, then you go wash it off. Remember to wash off with the toilet soap, because I know that a lot of people have actually been using some chemical based soap, and when they use natural remedies like this, they kind of complain, oh, it's not working. There's something you're not doing right. Yeah, that's why it's actually not working. Yeah, so use the toilet soap and use a mild cream. And if you want to tone up, your complexion will just start coming up. It's just start booming up. You don't need to go and buy too much of expensive cream and all of that stuff. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be holding on and I'll go wash it off. It's not going to dry off because of the banana. Okay, so I'll go wash it off and we're gonna be right back. Okay guys, so that's it. That's how you're just going to rub, and it's so cooling, it's so chilling. I am loving it, and I'm sure you are gonna be loving it too. Yeah, and oh my god, it leaves your skin super tight, super glowing, and super fair also. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.